before summer has gone away. Swim out under a broken sky. Cold sun colored with shades of white. Wave goodbye to last summer.
Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and a flavorful bhuna egg masala. This dish is perfect for those who love rich, spicy flavors and it's super easy to make. Also, I'll share a version that you can make it for kids using the same recipe. I'll start by making a paste of garlic, ginger, green chili. In a thick bottom kadhai, we will heat the mustard oil. We will marinate the boiled eggs in spices and a little bit of mustard oil. In the same kadhai, we will add the garlic ginger paste that we made along with spices and sliced onions. Now we have to cook this until it turns into this brown mush. If you feel that it is sticking to the bottom, just add a couple of tablespoons of water and then again cover it and cook it further. Taking a tablespoon of bhuna masala and half a cup of milk, a teaspoon of sugar and some Italian seasoning, we'll create a less spicy version of this. To thicken this curry, I have used a teaspoon of oats flour. Serve this with hot roti, naan or slightly sticky rice. It's a perfect dish for Sunday lunch or dinner.
You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head.
Though it was a weekend, Anshuman had some work for few hours and I was absolutely determined to use this time for a couple of things that has been pending on my list for really long time. I wanted to move around some furniture, especially these two sofas that were very heavy. I replaced them with a lighter version. The idea behind this is not only to make the cleaning easier but also allow more natural light to flow into the room. Natural light can just make your space look bigger and brighter. I spent rest of the afternoon relaxing, painting and watching Panchayat. It is one of our favorite series on OTT. Schools have opened in Mumbai and I usually try to make an early dinner on Sundays. She wanted to eat risotto and kind of avoiding outside food for now. So decided to make a creamy mushroom rice for her. I begin by slicing all the ingredients like onion, garlic and mushrooms. Taking 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat, we will add garlic and saute the onions. To this we will add mushrooms. Make sure the onions are slightly golden brown. Add a tablespoon of flour. I am using oats flour and add a cup of milk. You can add a little bit of extra milk in case you think that it is not enough. I've moved it into a bigger kadhai and everything was overflowing. To this I'll add some boiled rice. Turn off the flame, add salt, pepper and Italian seasoning and cheese to your liking.
Straight cruising, headed for a bruising, watching out for number one. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going.
I came back and started finishing the rest of the things that was pending on my list. First was to tidy this corner and change the decor of this corner as well. The kalamkari art that I made in the afternoon needed to be framed. I have already shared how I use this technique to frame all my artwork. I will link that video in the description and in the I button.
On the graves, in the cracks of 1,000 leaves, somewhere in between our past and our future, rolling over all the dividing themes. Are you still listening? Want to be heard by you? Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be lead.
The next was this wall where there is this mirror. I want to clean this wall using some alcohol. There is a lot of stain on this wall somehow. Though alcohol lightened the stains, it didn't completely remove it. I found that it is perfect for cleaning all the switchboards. And if you paint like me, then all your paint brushes. I wanted to try a new hack to hang all the artwork on the wall. Instead of nails, I wanted to use Velcro command strips. But they were pretty expensive, so I thought I'll do a DIY since I already have all the supplies. And just a disclaimer, it worked perfectly. So here are some of my artwork that I made few months back and want to display it on the wall that I showed you. I'm using a very strong double-sided tape. On top of this, I have attached a small strip of Velcro and then again a double-sided tape, and on top of this there was a paper tape. There are a couple of steps though, but it is a very cost-effective way because this tape and paper tape, Velcro, you can reuse it to hang multiple frames around the house. If you have watched till here and liked this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel. We post weekly videos on this channel on home decor, homemaking, and different hosting ideas. There was something that's bothering me. There is too much of maroon and red color on one side of the room, and I want to spread it across, as you can see in these frames. And also, with that arrangement in that corner, we were not able to see the statue properly. So I decided to rearrange again. This happens all the time. There is a lot of back and forth that happens while rearranging a space. Nothing happens in a perfect or a right way in the first go. So here is the final look. If you have enjoyed this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Do leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye-bye.
Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. You were made so remarkable.